You about VID. This startup is based out of Netherlands. It was started in early 2018. So the basic concept, the basic idea behind this project is to get documents verified using blockchain technology. Now you will say, what's new in that? Even in the present scenarios, the documents can be verified. We have bar scanners. The documents have bar scanners. We can scan them, get them verified. Yes, definitely. But although all that data is stored on a centralized server, and obviously, as you know, as you are aware, that centralized server data can be modified. So, what's so special in blockchain? Well, in this scenario, the data would be fragmented into several nodes, and it is impossible to make changes or to hack or to alter all the nodes. So the data is scattered. So in this way, the documents cannot be tampered. So we can also see the offerings, and this is the main website of the startup. So they are saying data integrity verified. So use the VIDT API to certify and secure your digital data against fraud and manipulation. So what do we understand with integrity? Integrity means if person A is sending a document from to person B, then all the format, all the content of that document will not be altered. It would remain same. The size, pattern, everything would remain same. Even if a single byte gets modified in that document, it would be declared as invalid. So they are providing three kind of solution with different packs with different pricing, I would say. So you can see easiest file protection, digital fingerprint, low impact. You can read about it on their website, and they also have a short demonstration in 90 seconds. So the best example is of our education certificates, our mark sheets, our college degrees, our school certificates. So our experience certificates. If we talk about our day to day life examples, so these things are generally people they change it, they produce fake experience certificate. So all those things can be verified if an organization adopts uh, the technology of this startup. So let's come to the coin market cap listing of VID. Okay, so today, just hold on. VID coin market cap. Yeah. So right now it has a valuation of $5.9 million if we consider the blockchain expect aspect, that the token value. So a total of 57.9 million token are there, and 46.457 thousands are in circulation. So if you say the 80% of token supply is in circulation, which is a very big point. I also prepared a report for the same. I'll show it to you. So this is the report that I have prepared myself. The tickler name is VIDT. It is a ERC20 token, and the profile is document and fraud validation. And the market cap is near about $6 million. This screenshot was taken yesterday. Now, we just got to know some recent news from this startup. And Softtech Automation partnered with VID, and even a new customer announcement was done on 10th of June. So this is the roadmap details of quarter two. I'll also show this on their website. As I have already discussed, the token supply is a very big point. 80% tokens are in circulation. What does that mean? Mostly in all these blockchain projects listed on CoinMarketCap, the the circulation supply is less than 50% or 40%. So whenever a token pumps like very much, then the team somehow dump them. So this we have seen many times, and there is almost, it's very difficult to track whether team is holding the token. For a normal person who is for a normal retail investor, it's very difficult to track it. So I have even shared the token metrics information in this PDF. There's also a buyback and burn mechanism integrated in this project, which is very interesting. So, in brief, I would like to tell you that in long term, the token supply will get decreased as the project itself buys token from the exchange and burns them. Whatever they are earning, a certain percentage, 1% of the total supply is burnt. It depends on the earning that they are uh, getting. We also have this VID starts. It's an unofficial uh, mo- mode of this chart where the market cap and all the token information is displayed, and how much tokens are the team is holding. So along with the address. So recently the token was listed. Uh, it was not listed, but it was Binance announced uh, that VIDT as one of the participant in the community vote competition. VIDT lost, but there was a massive support from people on Twitter, on Facebook, that VIDT should win, and everyone was expecting VIDT to win. So that's why even the price it got doubled. So this is, I will show you the last 3 month chart. In last 3 month, if we'll say, let's go to last 1 year. In the month of February 2020, the announcement was made by Binance, and it was around 1054 Satoshi, and it went straight up to 2547, almost 2600 Satoshi. It was more than 2x. Then it dropped back. Then we all saw the massive Bitcoin drop on 13th of March this year, but it only dropped to around 900 Satoshi. Then it kept on going up, but still the rally is pending. All the altcoins which are in the market, they have at least increased by 2x by now, but VID is still at around 131350 Satoshi. Yeah, so let's come back to the report. So there are certain report. There are certain uh, reports has to be discussed by the team ending quarter 2. So that is June only. So we are expecting that all the progress and the earnings would be uh, shared by the company. So the first, this is project EIC, working with three organizations that has testing, inspection and certification as their core business. IOE Scale Up work with Phantom Foundations to work for Afghan Ministry, then IBM Cloud integration of the VIDT API. Let's come to the next aspect. Yeah. So these are the partnerships and clients on board. These are the major partners. Apart from this, there are more. So AmSpec is, it belongs from oil industry. Then Airbus, Digibyte blockchain. Digibyte blockchain and Digibyte co-founder Rowdy is shedding VIDT a lot these days. June is being a good month for the VIDT. We have already heard 2 3 good tweets from the from the founder itself, and it is expected to see the price rise in coming days. LTO network is also from Netherlands, and LTO, there's a partnership between LTO and VIDT as well. LTO was listed on Binance in the month of February, I guess. It was around 500 Satoshi, and it went up to 1500 Satoshi after getting listed there. So if Binance lists uh, VIDT, then it can cross 2500 sats in no time. So these are some good clients, and even if we see, hold on, yeah. So these are the Netherlands blockchain startup, uh, which are listed on the left side of this image, and these are the top startups of not just Netherlands but of Europe. It was the data was compiled by one of the media firm. See, Rudy Bauman, the Digibyte awareness team, is excited to announce the creation of Digibyte Veritas, a partnership between VID blockchain and Digibyte. So yeah, so VID team has good and prominent number of customers, and the startup is already generating revenue. There are three product offerings along with token buyback and burn mechanism as well, which further will decrease token supply and hence increase token value. This is just an overlook about the project. The more you read, the more you learn about the project. Yeah, yeah. So there are some important points to highlight. VIDT was selected for Binance community, as I already told you. If we look into history, the same happened with VPR and Koti. Yeah. So the same happened with VPR and Koti. Both of them lost community vote, but Binance later listed them, and it was listed about 2 or 3 months, and it's already been 3 months for VRET. So it's a very high possibility that Binance might list VRET. So even this person Elja Boom is shilling VRET a lot. The community is very positive, be it Telegram, Twitter, etc. And the follow the founder of Binance is also a follower of Al Jaboom, and this person has 44,000 followers on Twitter. That's a good amount. Even Digibyte Foundation is tweeting about PIDT. It was of yesterday, 12th of June. You can read it. Big thanks to VITT for supporting the Digibyte project and deployment of Digibyte technology in their services. This is just the beginning. We will move forward together in introducing blockchain technology to different business in various industries. So this is going to be big. So as I have already discussed, this is the chart of 13th March. The price was 900 sats and today it is 1382 sats. So there's a big room of opportunity and space to for VRDT to grow. So that is the same I have mentioned over here. So let's come to the expectations. So with quarter ending, it is expected the team shall share the progress report along with token burn numbers. With recent good news and popularity on social media platforms, the value is expected to increase. If Binance lists VRDT anytime soon, it will perform exactly like LTO did. LTO touched 1500 sats immediately after the listing. Moreover, as per team, they are in regular touch with Binance. LT is also a Dutch project similar to VIDT. Expectations of Binance testing is quite high among the community. So, and if you get an entry between 1100 to 1200 sats, that would be very good. But yes, I would again say this that this is not a financial advice, but my experience in crypto industry uh, says that this range is good to enter at this moment. So this report has been prepared by me. I'll share a copy of this report uh, in the comments in the description section. Okay. So where it goes? I'll show it once again. Yeah. Now, if we see the Twitter handler of this project, then you will see even the team is quite shilling about its project and is very active. Even a summit was held yesterday, organized by IBM, and they showcased their IoE technology to all the participants, and even a demo video was shared. The link to that demo video I have mentioned in my research report. See, the team is saying last week we had a lot of new joiners joining the VIDT ride. Even the media is sharing about them. See, tomorrow a demo of our IBM Cloud and IBM Watson integration will be shared at the IBM Think Summit. So this thing was shared yesterday. This was this was the IoT. I this was the IOE. This was the IOE device which was uh, installed at the roof of IBM headquarters in Netherlands, just to gather all the environmental related data. This is the device, and this is how it was installed. This person is the founder of VID. So they have got a good number of clients. These, if you come to this section of case studies, these are all the clients. CMS Law, AMSPAC, IBM, LTO, Nenroads, Caltex Consultancy. It's a good one. I'm expecting a very good jump over here, and I will see this thing. I'm not selling it quite soon. I'm holding it for at least 2 or 3x. Let's see how it goes. It is listed on KuCoin, and the liquidity is pretty good over there, but yes, a lot of bot action. Not very easy to buy or sell. You have to be patient. So 1355 is the current price which is going on. Okay, then let me know how you like this video. This is my first one. I'll try to share my knowledge more with you guys. So just let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you.